I'm Travis Groth, co-owner of Mirror Image Racing out of Laramie, Wyoming. To be inducted into the Hall of Fame is such an honor. That's a pretty cool feeling. Thinking back 20 years ago when I went to WyoTech, never would have thought that I would be nominated or inducted into this. When I had decided to go to WyoTech after high school, I remember my brother and I drove out, toured campus, toured the diesel facility, and that's what I decided to do was diesel, chassis fab, high performance engines at the time. A couple months later, came out for school, loved it. From the extra credit activities that I would do to, of course, learning as much as I did during school, the entire experience was fun. I was in the diesel class as well as chassis fab and high performance engines, and I loved all three classes. I would have to say in the diesel field, my favorite class was hydraulics. And for the industry that I'm in now in monster trucks, it's amazing how much relates. From the hydraulics to electrical to even rebuilding differentials from the heavy trucks. It's the same setup in our race trucks. So a lot of what I learned goes into what I'm currently doing in the field of monster trucks. My journey that got me to where I am today in the monster truck industry started about 15 years ago. I went to a couple shows, started meeting some drivers and some crew chiefs, and decided I wanted to do that full time, not just as a hobby. And so built a truck in 2010, competed with my brother for quite a few years, and then we built a second truck. We currently run 4 trucks out of our shop here in Laramie, Wyoming. For anybody that's considering a trade school, WyoTech, it was so much fun. It was everything I thought it would be. I learned so much. The instructors, down to friends I had made at the time, I still talk to today. Come out, look at the campus, meet some of the instructors. There's so many options to pick from: automotive, diesel, collision. I would encourage students that are wanting to forge their path into the industry to pick something that they enjoy doing, that they wouldn't mind doing day in and day out, putting in the extra hours, the extra effort to be the best that they can be in the industry. And that would for sure get you to where you want to be, or owning your own business, or working for a race team that you have dreamed of working for. The ultimate goal is to put everything you have into it and go for it.